Hey guys, this is Hit 1000 and I'll be doing attempts for my headdress here. Okay, so let's start. I hope people trade. I don't think they will. Okay, that was just weird. Please like, subscribe, and comment after the video, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks. If you saw after this video, remember after that quick trade that person did, if you paused it and then you saw what it was, write it down in the comments, and then yeah. I like that trade, but no. Comment what you think is down below. And yeah. That's not fair. Lots of people say my address is worth a red long. I don't think that's fair enough. If you think that's fair, do you think I should accept, guys? Comment down in the video after, and I'll buddy him if I can. Comment down in the video and say if I should accept. So yeah. Ooh. I think the red long isn't fair. I think the black long, that wasn't fair. Sorry. So yeah. So you may know me, I play Roblox and Animal Jam. And yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, I'm gonna move somewhere else. Over here. I'm gonna change into a different animal. Oh, this one. Oh, I like the belongs. Okay. If you think that founder was a good trade, then please comment and say if you think that's fair or not. And remember to pause the video after you see that, after if you saw that quick trade. I think that was a green long and something. So yeah. Okay, ready. Ooh, he's got the purple. I'll try to trade for that. Do you think this is gonna be fair? I think she'll decline. Knew it. I just knew it. Okay, just wait, cause I really pick up down. What? 4 Peacock. How do you spell peacock? peacock. Okay, I cannot say peacock tail, so I'll just do it like that. Ooh, that's a really good trade. Oh, also den bedders. How many den bedders are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, 11 den bedders. That was total. Oh. That was a really good trade. He's also good at. Oh no. Okay. Infinity. Funny. Oh, I don't know why she wanted to buddy me. What is that? What was that? That happened quite a few times. I think that's another peacock tail. So yeah, I'm having a really good day today, but except, I don't know if lots of people are doing really good trades. Time for headdress recording. I'm going to head out. What is that? Wow, that always happens. That was a yellow one, I swear it. Oh, that was a masterpiece. That's a good one. No, sorry. What was that trade? Oh, that's a good trade. Sorry, no. Now I need to go back. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, sorry. It's being weird. Oh, wow. I can't even go that. That's terrible. I need to go there. There. Let me in there. The owl's just weird. Look at it. That's creepy too. Wow. It's been 10 minutes, guys. I cannot do it. Cannot get anyone to do a good trade. Sorry guys, I'd have to end this video. Please like, subscribe and comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, bye!